Good evening. I'm Mrs. Vargas, and I'm here to go over the honors chemistry syllabus for the year. On the first page, you'll find my contact information. Please feel free to email me with any questions you have about your student or the class, and I'll try to email you as soon as I can, either that day or the following school day. This is a link to my website where I have resources provided, tutorial links to help students succeed in my class. And here's a link to the Google Classroom where I'll be posting all of our activities and assignments. These are the Google Meet expectations that the school put out. All of the students so far have come in with their microphones muted. They are doing an excellent job of raising their hand, and they have been nothing but polite and respectful and very patient with us as we all navigate this new territory. For the distance learning format, teachers are available Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday in the mornings from 8:35 to 9:15. Wednesdays are our staff collaboration days. And the class schedule, students have been adjusting to following the alternating schedule between asynchronous, that's when they are on their own, and synchronous when we are in Google Meet together. So they should begin each day by logging into Google Classroom, where they're going to find at the banner at the top the Meet link if it's a synchronous day, or they'll find an assignment posted if it's an asynchronous day where they're working independently. This is a list of suggested materials. The only ones that we need at this present moment are the ones with the asterisk next to them. But if you want to be prepared for when we return, you can go ahead and buy them since they're in the stores right now. Grades for the class will be composed of assignments posted to Classroom that are graded there, a digital science notebook, as well as unit tests that happen every 2 weeks. And I've used these symbols in Google Classroom to help organize everything and make sure that it's easy to find what is due when. Tests and quizzes will have this symbol next to them. The digital notebook assignments, so their notes and their practice problems, things that go into the notebook, will have this symbol next to them so they know. This red exclamation mark is for assignments that are posted in Classroom that have a definite due date and will be graded in Google Classroom. So when they log on and see the red exclamation mark, they know that that's what they need to work on right away and get it submitted on time. There will be readings, and sometimes there will be a podcast. The weighting categories for Honors Chem are assignments and assessments, and it's 50% of each. So to be successful, they have to complete both of those things. They need to do the notebook and the labs as well as do well on the unit tests. Attendance has been a little bit tricky, so I wanted to clarify how I'm taking attendance for my classes. Because the internet has been giving us issues and Google Meet has been known to kick somebody out from time to time, I'm having students submit a form daily to tell me that they were present. So whether they had issues, if they complete the work, then they're present for the day. So they're just going to log into Classroom and they'll have a question like this: are you working online in Google Classroom? When they click yes, they have their attendance for that day. So it's really important that they fill this out daily and that they get it done by 2:35 so that I can turn my attendance in on time to the office. Here's an overview of the units that we're covering for the year. So you can see there's 3 units per triad. They're going to have their notebook and the test due every 2 weeks. So this first unit is on matter, and the test will be next Friday. They're going to turn in all of their work for Unit 1, and they're going to take their test for Unit 1 as well. Okay, and so it's important that they keep their notebooks updated and study for that test. Plagiarism is the copying of somebody else's work. That includes classwork, homework, quizzes, tests, Googling an answer and using it as their own. So students know if that happens, then they receive a 0, and I'll have to contact the parents and let you guys know what happened. And this is the form that you should have filled out after you read the syllabus, saying that you received and understand the procedures for the class. All right, thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.